Get ready. Winter is just around the corner. The leaves are changing color and the air is getting crisp. Soon, snow will be falling and we'll be reaching for our warmest coats. But what kind of winter will it be? Will it be mild or wild? Let's dive into the early forecasts for Europe and North America to see what we can expect. For my friends in Europe, the overall outlook for winter 2024 to 2025 leans towards a milder season compared to average. This means that the usual chill and frost that many of us have come to expect might be less intense this year. This means we can expect warmer temperatures across much of the continent. Instead of heavy snowfall and freezing temperatures, many regions might experience more days with mild and pleasant weather, but don't pack away your umbrellas just yet. The weather can be unpredictable, and while it might be warmer, precipitation patterns are also shifting. While some areas might see less precipitation, others might experience more. This means that while some regions could have drier conditions, others might face increased rainfall or even unexpected snow showers. The southern parts of Europe, especially around the Mediterranean, could see increased rainfall. This could lead to wetter conditions than usual, with more frequent rain showers and possibly even storms. Northern and Eastern Europe, however, might experience drier conditions. This could mean fewer snow days and more dry spells, which could impact everything from agriculture to daily life. These shifts in precipitation patterns are something to keep an eye on as we move closer to winter. It's important to stay informed and prepared for these changes, as they can have significant impacts on travel, agriculture, and daily activities. So, whether you're hoping for a white Christmas or just trying to stay dry, keep an eye on the forecast and be ready for whatever this winter has in store. Up north in Scandinavia, get ready for a classic winter wonderland. The forecast predicts a higher chance of significant snowfall this year. This means plenty of opportunities for winter sports enthusiasts to hit the slopes and enjoy the snow. However, it's important to be prepared for potential travel disruptions. Heavy snowfall can sometimes lead to road closures and flight delays. So, keep an eye on the forecast if you're planning any trips to this winter wonderland. Across the pond in North America, we're looking at a tale of two winters. This year, the northern part of the continent is likely to experience a colder and snowier season compared to average. Bundle up, folks. Meanwhile, the southern states can anticipate a milder and drier winter. This difference in conditions is influenced by various weather patterns, which we'll delve into a little later. Section 5. Sunshine and mild temperatures. The southern states' winter forecast. For those of you in the southern states, get ready for a pleasant winter. The forecast suggests warmer and drier conditions compared to previous years. Think sunny days and comfortable temperatures. This means you can leave your heavy winter coats in storage and enjoy outdoor activities throughout the season. However, it's always a good idea to stay updated with local weather reports, just in case there are any sudden changes. Section 6. A Canadian winter wonderland, from coast to coast. Canada, a land of vast and diverse landscapes, transforms into a magical winter wonderland as the cold season sets in. From the rugged mountains to the serene forests, every corner of this beautiful country is touched by the gentle embrace of snow. Canada, my home away from home, is known for its beautiful winters. The streets, often bustling with activity, take on a serene and peaceful quality as they are blanketed in snow. Parks become playgrounds for winter activities, where families and friends gather to enjoy the season. And this year is no exception. The snowflakes fall gently, creating a picturesque scene that looks like it's straight out of a postcard. Children with their rosy cheeks and bright smiles can be seen building snowmen, having snowball fights, and making the most of the winter season. The forecast indicates a classic Canadian winter experience with colder temperatures and plenty of snow across most of the country. Snowstorms, while sometimes challenging, add to the beauty and excitement of the season. Houses, covered in a thick layer of snow, look like cozy havens amidst the winter landscape. The eastern provinces might see more snow than usual, making for a picturesque winter wonderland. Quebec City, with its historic charm, becomes even more enchanting under a blanket of snow. The trees, heavy with snow, create a serene and almost magical atmosphere. The western provinces, while still experiencing a colder winter, might see slightly less snowfall. The majestic Rockies, capped with snow, offer breathtaking views and opportunities for winter sports and hiking. British Columbia, with its diverse landscapes, provides a unique winter experience. However, it's important to remember that weather patterns can shift, so staying updated on local forecasts is crucial. Whether you're planning a trip or just going about your daily routine, keeping an eye on the weather ensures you're prepared for whatever winter has in store. Embrace the season, stay warm, and enjoy the beauty of a Canadian winter from coast to coast. Now let's talk about the factors driving these forecasts. Understanding these elements can help us better prepare for the weather changes ahead. One of the major players this year is La Niña, a weather pattern that occurs in the Pacific Ocean. La Niña is characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific. This phenomenon can have a significant impact on global weather patterns. La Niña typically brings colder and wetter conditions to the northern United States and Canada. This means more snowfall and potentially harsher winter conditions for these regions. Residents in these areas often need to prepare for increased snow removal and potential disruptions to daily life. Conversely, La Niña leads to warmer and drier conditions in the southern United States. This can result in droughts and water shortages, affecting agriculture and water supply. Farmers in these regions may face challenges in maintaining their crops and livestock. Another key factor is the polar vortex, a swirling mass of cold air that typically sits over the North Pole. The polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air surrounding both of the Earth's poles. It is always present, but it weakens in the summer and strengthens in the winter. When the polar vortex weakens, it can allow this frigid air to spill south, bringing colder temperatures and snowstorms to lower latitudes. This can lead to unexpected cold snaps and severe winter weather in regions that are not typically accustomed to such conditions. Understanding the behavior of the polar vortex is crucial for predicting these extreme weather events and preparing for their impacts. You might have heard meteorologists talk about high-pressure and low-pressure systems. These systems play a significant role in shaping our weather, especially during winter. High-pressure systems are associated with clear skies and calm conditions. Low-pressure systems, on the other hand, bring clouds, precipitation, and sometimes even storms. The movement and interaction of these systems determine whether we get a quiet snowfall or a blizzard. As we get closer to winter, it's important to stay informed about the latest weather updates. There are many reliable sources you can turn to for accurate information. The National Weather Service, Environment Canada, and the Met Office in the UK are all excellent resources for official forecasts. You can also find helpful information and updates from local news channels and weather apps. So there you have it, a sneak peek into what winter 2024 to 2025 might have in store for Europe and North America. Remember, these are just preliminary forecasts, and weather patterns can change quickly. The key takeaway is to stay informed, be prepared, and embrace whatever winter throws our way. Whether you're dreaming of snow-covered landscapes or hoping for milder temperatures, one thing's for sure, winter is coming.